What if I told you that getting rich has almost nothing to do with luck? And doesn't require a high salary either? In fact, most people fail not because they earn too little, but because they try to get rich too fast. And that's exactly why they stay stuck. There's a much simpler strategy, one that doesn't look exciting at first, but almost guarantees results over time. In this video, I'll show you how to build wealth slowly, but in a way that becomes nearly unstoppable. Most people completely misunderstand how wealth is built. They think you need a big business, a high-paying job, or risky investments. But in reality, most long-term wealth is built by ordinary people doing small things, consistently, over many years. Not fast, not exciting, but extremely effective. This entire process comes down to three simple principles: compound interest, patience, smart risk management. If you truly understand these three, building wealth becomes predictable. Let's break them down. Part 1, Compound Interest. The silent engine of wealth. Compound interest is the most powerful force in wealth building. But here's the problem, it feels slow in the beginning, so most people ignore it. And that's a huge mistake. Simple idea, compound interest means this: your money makes money, and then that money also makes money. Example. Let's say you invest $1,000, and earn 10% per year. Year 1 $1,100. Year 2 $1,210. Year 3 $1,331. Now notice something important. You are not earning on your original money only, you are earning on your previous gains too. That's where the real growth comes from. Now here's where it gets interesting. Let's compare two people. Person A starts investing at the age of 25, $100 per month. Person B starts at the age of 35, $200 per month. B invests more money, but A ends up with more wealth. Why? Because time matters more than amount. Key takeaway: compound interest is not impressive at first, but over time, it becomes exponential. And once it accelerates, it's very hard to stop. What you should do: start as early as possible. Stay consistent. Reinvest your returns. This is where wealth actually begins. Part 2, Patience. The part most people fail. This is where most people lose. Not because they don't understand investing, but because they don't have patience. People expect results in a few months, in a year. Maybe two. But real wealth? That takes time. Think of it like this. Plant a tree. You water it. You take care of it. But for a long time, nothing seems to happen. That doesn't mean it's not growing. It just means growth is invisible at the beginning. Same with money. In the first years, gains look small, progress feels slow. But later growth speeds up, results become visible. Real-world behavior. Most people panic when markets go down. They sell. They stop investing. They quit. But the ones who stay calm, and stay invested, are the ones who win. What you should do: focus on long-term results. Ignore short-term noise. Never make emotional decisions. Patience isn't just important. It's the difference between success and failure. Part 3, Smart Risk. Not too safe, not too risky. Building wealth slowly doesn't mean avoiding risk. It means managing risk intelligently. Most people fall into one of two traps. Either they take no risk, so their money loses value, inflation, or they take too much risk, and they lose everything. Example. One person keeps all their money in cash. Over time, inflation eats it away. Another person puts everything into risky assets. One bad move, and they lose a huge portion. The correct approach: balance. What this means: don't put all your money in one place. Choose long-term, stable investments. Avoid chasing quick profits. Wealth building is not about being aggressive. It's about being consistent and controlled. Important mindset. This is not a sprint. It's a marathon. Core idea. The formula for building wealth is simple. Small steps. Long time. Consistency. That's it. No shortcuts. No magic. No quick wins. You don't need big moves. You just need the right direction, over and over again. Conclusion. If you follow these 3 principles: start early, stay patient, make smart decisions, building wealth becomes almost inevitable. Remember, moving slowly is not the problem, stopping is. Engagement. What's harder for you, starting, or staying consistent? Write your answer in the comments. And if you want more simple, practical strategies like this, subscribe to the channel.